Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 23rd of August, and the first stock is Varun Beverages Limited. This will buy about 810. Next stock is Linde India. This will buy above 2000. It has given a good breakout. So 2000 is a psychological uh, like number as well. So we'll buy above 2000. Then we have Cephalar. Cephalar we will buy above 7000. Wait for candle close because it has taken multiple time resistance in this area, and you have to check this in 5 minute candle, like how is the volume, and like the candle which is breaking this, how, like is it liquid, if liquidity is there or not. And you can see in cash stocks, illiquid candles, you can see these are illiquid candles. This is liquid, even it is small, but this candle is liquid. All these candles where you can see dot dot dot, these are illiquid candles, so these you have to avoid. And whenever there is a breakout, generally the candle which forms is mostly strong candle. Then we have KSB. KSB we can buy above 1225, this trend line. Then we have Godrej CP. Godrej CP we can buy above 1045. In cash stocks we have Aster DM. Aster DM is for swing trade only, because for intraday we will buy this only about 200 now. This set made a inverted head and shoulder and moved very good in last 2 days. Now you can buy this for swing trade, but you have to keep stop loss below this trend line. If you want to take a smaller risk, then you can keep below this line somewhere around 173. This is only for swing trade. Then we have Lux Industry. This will buy above 4350, so it may take some time. Then we have KMC Specialty Hospital. This we will buy above 55, and it is listed only in BSE. Then we have Secure Cloud. This will buy above 123, but buy less quantity because this is very illiquid stock in past. You can see circuit. So, but now the structure is looking good, so you can take risk, but with a small quantity. For shorting, we have GEAL. GEAL we will short below 170. Then we have SAIL. SAIL we will short below 160, and Tata Motors will short below 280. Now one thing which you have to remember is don't take any trade before 9:30. So suppose if this stock Tata Motors, for example, it opens little gap up, and after 9:30 it breaks the day low, then you can immediately take this trade. But if it breaks this low in a first 15 minutes, then you have to avoid. Or if it opens gap down, also little gap down, then also you have to avoid. So mostly what you have to check, now as this stock looking weak, if it breaks, and don't enter in first 15 minutes. Generally it will fall, and it will retrace little bit, and after retracing, then in second attempt if it breaks this low, then you have to enter here. Sometimes it will come here, and in second attempt also it will take a small retracement, and in third attempt it will break. So you have to take entry here. Don't enter before 9:30. Same thing you can apply in bullish stocks as well, like Godrej CP for example. It may open gap up. If it opens gap down and after 9:30 it breaks day high, then you can enter. But if it opens somewhere around here and within first 15 minutes it breaks day high, then avoid it because it may retrace little bit. Then in second attempt when it breaks this high, suppose in morning it made a high of 1050, and then it retrace little bit till 1030, and again when it breaks this 1050, then you have to enter. And possibilities again it can go there and take a little retracement, and in third attempt it breaks. So always avoid trade in first 15 minutes. And if you are not getting any trade, then don't panic like you have to take trade only. You have to wait for right opportunity and then take trade. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.